So it's pile 1 time now. So those of you who had chosen pile 1, let me see what's in store for you for love at the present moment. Right? So let me show you the cards. What has come up for you. Okay. So definitely a lot of communications with the person of your dreams, and yes, there is marriage. So if you've been thinking that, okay, whether I'll get married or not, yes, you are getting married. Lots of communication is here. So as you can see from here, so lots of emails, WhatsApp messages, all posts, whatever is the communication medium, it's going to occur for you. The other person, the person is going to be very shy, who is going to offer their cup of love to you, and he is financially stable, he or she, of course, the gender will matter to each one of you separately. So financially very stable your person is, and he is little bit in the savings mode now, so he's keeping all his finances to himself and using his finances to set the expenses properly, and maybe he might be thinking for marriage as well, so he's saving up for marriage also. That's a wonderful thing. So definitely there is marriage. So I strongly sense that this is a person whom you actually know. This is not someone new, someone in your circle who is going to definitely propose to you, and love is like happening in the very near future, and of course marriage. So pile number 1, it's marriage for you, dear. So congratulations for all of you, and it's going to be a wonderful healthy relationship between both of you. You kind of tend to spend a lot of time with each other. You talk a lot. This also might mean that you talk a lot over phone. So it's like kind of a friendship maybe blooming into marriage, what I can sense from here. So this is actually wonderful. Lovely cards. So pile number 1, again, marriage is here and justice will be served. So if you have been waiting for that person to propose, yes, that person is going to propose to you, and it will culminate into marriage. So that's really wonderful. So now let's go on to pile number 2. So now I start with pile number 2. So all those who have chosen number 2 pile, right? And all those who want to know what is in store for them regarding love. So will that person propose? Will it be a long term, or is it just a casual friendship? What is it that the person is thinking about this relationship? So everything about love at the present moment. This is a timeless reading, as I had already told you. So whichever time you switch on the video, you just pick up the pile number and you get the reading for your love life actually, right? So let's see. Okay, so this is pile number 2. Wow, this is nice. So whoever is it that is going to come your way, it's going to bring you a lot of love, offering you their cup of love. So as you can see, let me show it to you in a proper way. Yeah. So the Queen of Cups. So the Queen is here. So they will offer you their cup of love. They would want to take this forward in a very swift manner, and they are not going to waste any time. So it's going to be, I think, a soulmate connection for you. It's not somebody that you know. It's someone who is coming towards you with a lot of love for you. So it's going to be wonderful. And the person is going to be, speaking their heart to you. So this is the Ace of Swords. So there's nothing hidden for this person, right? Let me show you properly. Yes. So there's nothing hidden. So whatever this person has in his or her heart, he or she will convey this to you and would like to take this to the next level very quickly. Although I don't see marriage presently, but yes, you will definitely go into a committed relationship. And don't have any doubts for this relationship, because this is going to work, right? So wonderful. Commitment is there, and lots of swift action. I strongly sense that this person, whoever you will be dealing with, he holds a very good position in the organization that he works in, or might be he has got his own business. So a reputed person, somebody whom a certain amount of people know, like he's got a very respectable position in the society. So it's like with the Chariot, and you get the Queen of Cups, and a lot of love is coming your way. Like, this person is very straight to the point. He's not going to waste any time if he thinks that you are the correct person for him or her. So this is kind of great actually, because it will take place in a very short duration of time, as I can sense from this. So it's going to be very fast, right? So great. Number 2, those who have chosen pile number 2, this is going to be great for you, right? So now let's move on to pile number 3. So now for those who had chosen pile number 3. Pile number 3 for what? For your love life. So take what resonates with you, and do be mindful that this is just for the present moment. The energies might shift, but whatever you choose instantly. Don't think and then choose. Otherwise, the readings might not resonate, right? So those who had chosen number 3. So let me show the cards. How is the love life going to be for the people who chose pile number 3? Those who have chosen pile number 3, there's initially I think your love situation is not going to be good. There's a Tower moment, and there is the Devil card. Might be you are addicted to someone, but it's not going to be, good for you. So negative energies are prevailing at the present, but the last card is a wish fulfillment card. So I think you might get out of this toxic relationship which you are having right now, and then you get your wish fulfillment. You are proceeding towards your loved one actually. So initially it might look like that it's all the cards are not good, so it's negative, but I think finally you're getting this wish fulfillment. So I actually suggest you to get out of this toxic relationship which you're having presently in your love life. That person is not really good for you, which I can predict by seeing the cards. So bringing you negative vibes, and being a blockage to your happiness, as I can see. And you are actually very much tied up with this person. Maybe it's a like a long-term relationship that you can't get out of, but it's actually not good for you. And you got into that relationship after some after getting across some disturbance in your life you had got into. It is actually tying you up. So you release this person, or you get a release for yourself, and then finally you'll get your wish fulfillment. So pile number 3, this is all that I had for you. And I think all the piles that I have seen, 1, 2 and 3, I have not really seen a very negative card. Everything is going in a positive direction. So I think those who are watching it, the decks that you, the piles that you choose, that is actually resonating with your present moment love life. So it's actually very positive for you. I see positivity in all of them. Yes, for the last two piles, pile 1 and 2, there had been like very fast progress, wish fulfillment in a different way, like marriage or maybe in a committed relationship. But this deck is a little bit different because this is actually a toxic thing that is going on. Deck number 3, that pile number 3, some toxic thing is going on, and this toxic thing you have to release to get your wish fulfillment. So ultimately everything is positive, everything is looking very nice. So I hope you have enjoyed my reading. Do post your comments, and please let me know whether it resonated with you or not, and any other kind of reading that you really want me to do. So I'll be happy to do the reading for you. So wishing you all good health and sending you good vibes and best wishes, and I'll catch you up in some time.